Today, we will be going over how to install C2226. To begin this install, you will find it easier to work your bolt fissure backwards by inserting the coiled end first into the round hole toward the front end of the bed support bracket, guiding it to the rear oval hole, attaching your hardware, and then pulling it all back through the hole you started with. For the time being, leave the bolt fissures on as to not lose your hardware in the frame. Then, using the oval hole, put the coiled bolt end with the hardware inside the frame, using the bolt fissure to keep it secure as you pull it back through the same hole. Use those two mounting points, attach your tie down to the frame with the washers and nut, securing it hand tight for the time being. Next, remove the factory bolt at the top of the bed support bracket. You will not be needing to reuse this again. Grab your receiver brace and install it at the top of the bed support using the provided hardware. Use the provided hardware to secure the receiver brace to the tie down and torque the hardware to the proper specs. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Once you're ready to go, secure your inserts to your receiver with the bail pin and you are ready to use your tie downs.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at Torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.